Now, all of these notes are still going to be on page 17. It's all on the same topic. These are some of the vocabulary you're going to need for this chapter. Reminder that this is going to be on the YouTube channel, and you can pause as you wish. Spectrum energy, you're going to be needing this for the lab that we're going to have on Friday. Low energy is on the red and orange yellow zone. High energy is going to be on the blue and violet area. Don't forget that you need to have this information for Friday's lab. Also, you might want to draw the different sections of your waves. I'm going to show you how to do this principle on a Wednesday. Make sure you know the difference between Hunt's rules and Pauli's rule. Yes, the first number is showing you the period where it's located on the periodic table, and I'll show you how to figure out your period number tomorrow. And the letter is showing you what block area of your, is it your P area, your S area, your D area? I'll show that to you guys tomorrow as well. And the top number is showing you the actual square that it's located in for that specific element. Every single element has its own periodic pattern. And you're going to put it all together. It's going to give you the electron configuration. Now, the reason valence is going to be important is because not only is it going to help you with the Lewis dot structures that we're going to be doing later, but it's going to help put the bonding together. You're going to actually be able to draw your chemical compounds. That's going to come in the next chapter. And the reason you need to know your ions is because you're going to be able to tell which elements are going to be able to bond with another element. Remember that an ion is any element that has a charge, whether it's a positive charge or a negative charge. Doesn't matter. They're both ions. Now, guys, we're going to actually set up and label and color code your periodic table tomorrow, so I wouldn't be absent. Make sure that you bring your notebook and the periodic table because we're going to only set it up tomorrow.